You really should get a new hat. You really should get a new hat. You can do your best, but I will defeat you. in the dark today? Hi there. Oh, that hat is busted. Hi. Hi there. I think I'll practice. You're an idiot, you know that? You just gonna take that. Why not just step on? I know you've broken 6 times this week. Think you're gonna dump like this? This is good. Hey, that almost made me laugh. You brought this party to me. You suck big time. Oh, you like that prank? It was a prank. You're not a prank. Jeez, I'm not ready for that. I wonder, did Arnie receive my application? You will not escape the law of the law. Why are you getting messages from Dale? This is a furious. And stealing stuff from the townie's clothes? You got nothing funny. Oh, no, it's true. Right in the face. Life sucks and then you die. Does that make you feel big and strong? You want more? What is it? Greetings, comrades. I thought we were friends. Yeah. Get out of my face. Just think about it for a second. Big friggin' line hopping. I've been pushed too far. Yeah, you're talking to me. You don't have to put up with that. You alright? Everyone thinks they're like so cool, but they're obviously